మండపం మీద ఉన్న
పెద్దల సాక్షిగా పళ్ళు తెచ్చిన కాయలు ఇచ్చిన ముందుగా తల్లిదండ్రులకు పంచి
తర్వాత భార్యకు పంచి ఉన్నది నేను పంచుకుంటాను.
అగ్ని సాక్షిగా, డైరెక్టర్ సాక్షిగా, బ్రాహ్మణ సాక్షిగా పళ్ళు తెచ్చిన కాయ ఏ వంట చేసినా ఏ వంట చేసినా ముందుగా అత్తమామలు పెట్టి తర్వాత భర్తకు పెట్టి ఉన్నది.
ఇప్పుడు చెప్పు,
ఏం చెప్పాలి? నువ్వు అడగాలి క్వశ్చన్స్.
అదే
యు ఆర్ ది ఇంటర్వ్యూయర్.
సో
అప్పుడే బ్లాక్ అవుటా?
నాకు తెలియదు నేను ఏం అడగాలో.
అడగవే, నీకు నోటికి వచ్చింది. ఏ we'll do that cringe wala one, no?
Yeah, see, just because I'm married, I'm with you, I'm not going to do all that.
Da ఇలా జూమ్ ఇన్ చేస్తాను. హలో అండి, మా పేరు. సారీ మేక్ షూర్. I love you, Nikita.
I love you. First time when I told him I like you, he said thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah, I thought he was joking, and then second time I was shy, and then I think I told the same thing back to him. See, it's funny because I always think of him saying thank you.
That's why I propose. You didn't propose.
What is your opinion on me, baby?
ఫిల్ చేసుకున్నాను కదా.
Opinion చెప్పే.
అదే ఒపీనియన్. దానికన్నా ఇంకో బిగ్గర్ వాలిడేషన్ ఇంకేం కావాలి చెప్పు.
Butterfly.
Why are you going?
When was the first time you saw her?
Physically, October 1.
ఫస్ట్ వచ్చి 29th అనుకుంటా సెప్టెంబర్. నేను మెసేజ్ పెట్టా లెట్స్ మీ అంటే అడుగుతూ ఉన్నారు చాలా రోజులు. సో ఐ వాజ్ లైక్ ఓకే 9 months వెయిట్ చేయించిన తర్వాత ఒక 2 days క్యాన్సిల్ అయిన తర్వాత సరే లెట్స్ గెట్ ఇట్ డన్ అన్నట్టు కలువ అంటే 30th ఫ్రీ లేను, ఫస్ట్ అయితే ఫ్రీ ఉన్నా అన్నారు.
1st of October.
1st of October 2 కలర్ అన్ని అంటే లేదు 4:30 కలా వస్తాను అన్నారు. అంటిల్ 4:30 అండ్ కాల్ చేస్తున్నా వస్తున్నా వస్తున్నా అన్నారు. 6:10 వచ్చారు. And then we had
I waited 9 months, no, before that.
I was busy.
I felt like maybe she's out of my, I am out of her league.
Yeah, what? That's wow. You're out of my league?
Yeah?
Or am I out of your league?
Okay, it's the other way around. I thought like I am like nothing.
I like the way he he deals with things. Like I can't deal with things that way, and he balances the intelligence in our relationship somehow. He's really smart.
It could go somewhere because I had different career plans and he had completely different career plans, but it ended up here. So
3 months into our dating, I felt like this could go somewhere.
For me, it took a while because there's a lot happening because you wanted to go out.
I wanted to go to UK, and then he didn't want to at that time.
So I was still figuring out whether this will work or not.
But yeah,
No.
he was a very strong backbone for me.
There are few moments where I felt like she is always there for me no matter what happens or how things go or anything. So I think that's what made me kind of say that hey, this wedding is going well, this relationship is going to be a long one.
But he's the more patient one. So yeah, he ends up making it all right all the time, and I try to make it all right sometimes.
I think gradually knowing her, the love grew. I told you on the day of wedding also, and I'm telling you again, you don't have to worry about anything, and especially don't get tensed about everything. Live life like you want to, and I'll be there to take the slack. I will always make you happy, and I always want to not make you cry, but I end up doing the other way around. But that one thing I can promise, everything will be happier.
I know I can be difficult at times, and I am going to be difficult in the future, but that doesn't mean I don't love you. That means I love you more, and I want to make your life more difficult as we go on and happier. As long as I'm alive, I'll make sure you get everything you always wanted.
I already got whatever I want. How do I keep up with you
What do you mean?
now that I'm marrying you?
It's a surprise. You don't reveal the surprises. You'll get to know. We just got married.
In last
Which felt
days.
like a dream. I still can't believe we are married. Thank you for making this happen.
In quiet vows and loudest cheers, love grows stronger through the years, from whispered dreams and hands held tight to facing storms and chasing light. It's not just rings or wedding songs, but standing firm when things go wrong, in laughter shared and silent tears, in growing close across the years. Two souls who promise not just to stay, but to grow together, come what may. For love in truth is not just fire. It's warmth that lasts. It's deep desire. It's finding home in someone's eyes, in morning talks and long goodbyes. A bond not made of perfect parts, but stitched in flaws and fearless hearts.
Yes, again. Yes.